Today, we are going to draw and color Talking Tom. Let's start drawing. At first, I'm going to draw Tom's eye. Then his nose, and after that, his other eye. Then I draw some lines under his nose to get his mouth. It is slightly open, so I draw his teeth and tongue. Now I draw his eyebrows, and then the shape of his head. I finish it with his 2 ears. Then I draw some lines here and there for his kitten mustache. After I draw some stripes onto his head, I start to draw his body. After his hands, I draw his cute belly. Good job! Now I'm going to use a thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. At first, I'm going to use some light red for the inner part of his ears. I color his nose and tongue this color too. Then I use red for his mouth. I'm going to use 2 shades of green for his eyes. Awesome! Now I'm going to color his furry body with this gray marker. Tom is a very ambitious and adventurous person, suggesting ideas that people would see as crazy or good at first, which slowly spirals to chaos. He takes chances when he sees them as an opportunity to make him either rich or famous, or better yet, both. He is the leader of the group. Others follow him, even with doubts. He is very confident and charismatic about himself, using every opportunity possible to compliment himself. But he also takes note of the capabilities and talents of others, and can praise them, or at times be envious of them. Although he can be reckless, he is kind to his friends and is willing to lend a helping hand, sometimes giving advice to them when they ask for it. Great! I leave his belly and the stripes on his face white. Yippee! Wow, he looks cool! If you like this video, do not hesitate to like it and subscribe to the channel.